Today we had the Black Excellence 5K. It was a very successful event with 84 participants, and the event was just about representing for the Black community and making sure that we are visible, because making yourself visible is a political act.
My wife, Nicole McClain, put together this Black Excellence fundraiser to bring awareness for Juneteenth, raise awareness for Juneteenth, help bring the community together and keep a good function going in the community. We got a lot of runners in the community, so we just mixed the concept, and it seems we got a good outcome. It's working. It's turned out pretty good.
We were trying to represent, and as a community, every culture came out to support us, and we really appreciated it. It was such a successful event.
Well, first of all, I love the fact that we're showing positive images of African Americans, and I'm very happy that we are all coming together today to support this event. It's very important to have these images out in the community.
It makes me get a good positive aspect on the community. Like, it shows a positive aspect on the community. It's a Black Excellence 5K, but and still there's white people, Asian people, Spanish people here. So that gives a good grasp that we have a good, diverse community, and we're willing to bend and start to work together.
It shows that we are definitely a community, and we're able to come together as one to support something of this magnitude. Running's a big thing on the North Shore, and to see people of African American descent, people that look like me out here doing this and trying to be healthy, it sends a message that we're out here doing this as well. We're out here being healthy. We enjoy the outdoors. We enjoy running. We enjoy health and fitness, and we enjoy supporting the community.
Seeing all this support and seeing that everybody agrees that representation in our community for Black people and for every culture really does matter. It does. It makes me feel great.
It's gonna promote good health. You know what I mean? Good health, keep people in a good mind state, and it'll keep bringing us back together as a community. Just another event to add on to the community events.